Dude, quick Saturday update video. I haven't done one of these. Well, the only one that I've done so far was in March. And I don't know, it was like this really quick sort of impromptu video just to talk about stuff with the car, because why not listen to some guy on the internet rant about car stuff? But yeah, it was just a, again, random video. I thought it was kind of fun to do, and I've been meaning to do another one since then, just hadn't gotten around to it. So that's what today's video is. Cheers. Anyway, so what is status of the car? So, well, right now it's a little dirty, but I'm waiting until the end of the week to do a pretty in-depth maintenance wash, just because we have the Lancaster Supercar Cruise on Sunday, and so I want to wait until it gets a little bit closer to that so I can get this thing all cleaned up and just kind of house it until it's time for the show. But anyway, well, one's I guess a replacement, the other is a mod coming up pretty soon. One of them finally have the dust shields. So if you have a 2015 to 2017 F8X car, you have the crappy rear dust shields that tend to attract and capture road debris like gravel and asphalt and little tiny pebbles that get stuck between the dust shield and the rotor and make a terrible scraping sound. And so these are, I hope, the 2018 version and beyond, where they fixed it. They made them a little bit smaller. I actually ordered them from FCP Euro. I thought I ordered the right ones because I went by part number, but apparently I didn't. They were the wrong ones. So got them replaced and ordered the correct ones. Well, sent them back and ordered the correct ones from ECS Tuning. The other thing is the exhaust. So if you, well, first, peek at the box. So big old Valvetronic Designs exhaust box. So thing is that if you have seen any of my recent talk and drive videos, I've been chasing the whole Mark IV Supra that I've been wanting for almost 30 years now. And in doing so, and sort of trying to make that a reality in the near future, some of the more tinkery things I was going to do with the F80 have taken a little bit of a back seat. One of those was almost the exhaust. So I pre-ordered this back in March. When we were at Beamer Invasion, I saw the Valvetronic demo car that had this installed and thought it sounded pretty amazing. So I went ahead and put in the pre-order. I know that pre-orders are not always guaranteed to ship when they say they're going to ship, but I was supposed to ship in April, and it was like early June. And I was like, you know what? Priorities have shifted. I don't know if I really need to be tinkering with the exhaust, because it's not bad. But the day I was thinking, it wasn't actually, I don't know that I was actually going to cancel it, but the day I was thinking about canceling it, I got notification that it had shipped. So I guess it was meant to be. But, so the exhaust that I have on here now is the Active Auto Work equal length non-resonated mid pipes with the Remus axleback exhaust. It is not a bad system. It's very loud, very, I don't know, grumbly, and it's great. It's just, I don't know, now that I've had it for a while, it's not even really been a year, but I'm not 100% sure that that's really the one I wanted to keep on here. And again, having heard the one at Beamer Invasion, I thought it was pretty good and I wanted to give that a shot. However, with the Supra now, that's probably something that I really wouldn't have messed with too much, because there are still other things that I think that probably should take a better priority. Like it still needs some lowering springs, still needs wheels. Maybe, I don't know, the 666M wheels are amazing, but probably some custom wheels at some point. Still needs the carbon fiber bits, so side skirts, rear diffuser, a few other little odds and ends and stuff. But again, some of the things that I was going to tinker with, like exhaust, ordinarily would have taken a back seat in the chase for the Supra, but whatever, it's fine. I have the exhaust here, can't wait to get it on. That'll be fun. So hopefully we'll be doing that in a couple of days. And yeah, I think that's about it for right now. Hopefully some of those other mods will be coming this year, but plenty of other like detailing videos coming along, a few maintenance items coming up pretty soon, coolant flush, and spark plugs, which I'm sure those will be a lot of fun. But anyway, yeah, so super quick update, and that's all I got for today. So hope you guys are having a good one, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.